So I looked up Let Me Lie, and apparently there are three different keys that it's been released in on three different albums. So on Party Time, Traveler, and Bar 17, there's a different chord progression. I mean, the progression is the same, the spacing is the same, but it's just they're in different keys. So I'm going to run through them and see which one you prefer. I think I know which one I like in my ear, but I'm going to run through the first one. This is the one off Bar 17. So it's C, G, A minor, and then F, and then the F kind of climbs up. So. That was bar 17, C, G, A minor, F, and then the F, climbs up to the G at the end, so, and then it resets at the C. The Party Time is A flat, E flat, F minor, D flat, so everything is kind of messed around a little bit, but the spacing is the same. So that was the Party Time progression, A flat, E flat, F minor, D flat. The last one is the Traveler progression, which is G, D, E minor, C. And again, that last chord will crawl up. So in the last one, it was the D flat, but then we crawl up to the E flat. And then this one, again, the Traveler progression is G, D, E minor, C. So. So which one do you like better? The bar 17 progression? The Party Time progression? or the Traveler progression. What do you think?